Oh, hey man. Not grinding or anything. It's just I got anything else to do. What am I gonna go out, smoke some weed? What am I gonna do? Huh? Just sit down, do something useful. Look at this guy. Koi Dekni Atta. What are you, Pakistani or something? I don't understand what you're saying, bro. What are you saying, bro? Do 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 do. What do I want to do today? I want to fix this issue of limiting the user to create X amount of books. The issue is I have to store this value in somewhere that's not erasable by removing the app. It's going to outlive the app, so it has to be on Firebase or something. Do I use Firestore just for these two values? Well, I may have more values, because I have to increment it as well when someone creates a book. The Firestore is a document database, is it not? It is. I even made a course about Cloud Firestore in the past. I should know this stuff. I do, don't I? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? No, it's just for entertainment. If you learn something, so be it. If you don't, you don't. The main value is entertainment. I'm a fun guy. That's what you're getting. Fun. You get to have fun. Together, me and you. Isn't that something? My son doesn't look like he's having fun. Screaming. The guy's always screaming. Check on him. Yeah. it's almost time for his bedtime. Yeah, the stream is for me. It's not really for viewers. Honestly, I gotta be honest with you. I stream for myself, not for others. The issue? There is no issue. What I want to do is store a value that can outlive the app, that can limit the user to creating X amount of items, for example. You got any bright ideas, sir? So what I want to do is, when you press on a book, or when you create a book, I need to find out whether you can create more or not. And this value should not be resettable by the user, you know? So if they delete the app or something, it goes away, it has to stay there because they're a free user. So they can only create 5 books. So this value must be sitting somewhere that they can't play with. You know? So maybe if we cloud Firestore, if I go Firebase console, I don't have a server. I want to do it in the easiest way possible. I don't want to make a server and do all this stuff. Servers are everywhere. I just want to use some server that already exists. If I build remove Firestore database, yes. Oh, look, I already did this before. I have these books saved. That's cute. That is cute. Books, collection. Collection ID. Let's say, what do we call them? Parameters? Limitations? It can't be in the database. Because if you wipe the database, if you wipe the app, the database goes along with it. So you get free books. I can call it whatever. Params. Limitations. That's ChatGPT. What do you call a Firestore collection that deals with parameters like max allowed books to create and stuff like that for free users of my ape? User settings, app settings, yeah, sure. Okay. Document ID. Okay. So here in remote config, created so far, allowed. These are unchangeable, the allowed ones. These have to go. So far, the so far ones. User settings. Ah, okay, okay. And so I can just call this limitations. String. It's a number, and its value is starts at 0, I guess. 3 user created so far. These are books. These are snippets. 0. Number. 0. Save. Okay. Max count should be stored per book basis or user type basis. User type. So if you're a free user and you create a book, the counter starts going until you hit 5. Do I have any of my apps on the store? I used to, I don't right now, but this one I'm making is going on the store. It's a remake of the old one that I had on the store. I've had many. So, that's how you do it. Now, how the hell do you talk to this thing? I remember how. It's a repository I had, Firestore. Fire login. Maybe. Nope. Store. No. I've done this before. Need to find the name. Bookshelf. Duh. Filters, no. Yeah. There it is. No, this is a query. I want to write. Yeah. Okay. This is a query. Query. What do you think about DI libs? Coin, Hilt, Codeine. I think DI libs overrated. Manual DI super easy and good. Well, if I knew how to do manual DI in the same way that Hilt knew how to do it, I would do it. I don't, so I use Hilt. Coin, I think, is too simple. It doesn't satisfy all my needs. Hilt is the best because Dagger is the most powerful, and Hilt is a simple version of Dagger, so Hilt is a no-brainer. Copy pasta. Firestore. Where's Firestore coming from? Ah, Firestore database. How's that being created? It's injected, huh? Yeah, of course. Oh, look! In this one, I used I used coin. Lol. Firebase Firestore get instance. All right. Now I go here. Main activity. Nope. Main view model. Copy. Pasta. So let's come here and say fun. YouTube. What does it do here? Collection reference. You get the reference to a collection. So this should say user settings. Firebase. What is it called? App. Probably gonna need a import. Yes. name. Bam. Firestore sync. Hello, Sanskar collection. Well, you have to go watch my course, bro. It's the one course I made ever. No items to show? What do you mean? No items to show? It's me, bro. To go watch this stuff. Bam, that's me, look at me. I was happy here. I didn't have any kids. So this is the collection. But how is it gonna know the document ID? I forgot all this stuff, man. Isn't this a right? Isn't this a right operation? Books add. What is books? Books. Where is books? Books is here. Collection books, yeah, let me just check here. This is the collection I worked on. The document ID. So no, each document is what I need. Fine. Let me think. Settings, get document. Yes. Limitations. Val limitations equal this. Limitations dot fire dot get source. What source? Update field value. Field value data. Any option. What do I need now? I got the document from the collection and now I want to what? I want to set. Update or set? Update. It's already set. Oh, okay. So I'm gonna go bam. Can I just say +1? Okay. Okay, I see where you want me to go. But what is source now? Limitations. Fine, of this. No. Get result. What is the result? God damn it. Message me on LinkedIn. Check it after the stream? No, I'm gonna check it now. hello brother. Okay. He, him. You're that kind of person? Weird. Undergraduate final year student, so I want to upgrade Android development skills. Can you help me by providing some stuff like demo project notes or something else? I can help me upgrade myself. I'm a newbie in Android development. I want to be placed in Android development in my AME company. Okay, sure. Sure, go do this. All the assignments are gone. Come, do this. Go do that. Send me the code. Mr. Developer. Get value from Cloudflare store. I know how to get value. What am I doing? Why am I such a big query? One thing at a time, one thing at a time. One, put this one here. Call YouTube. Okay. Okay. Eight like us. Wow, I love the build times. Don't you? Don't you love when it's building? M2. Not just M1. M2. Bro. In all fairness, it's not that bad. Sometimes it does this, I don't know why. How you doing, scumfuck? Helpful person. I remember you. Master, tell you a roadmap? The road is long. That's the roadmap. Where are you now in your journey? See, if there's a road and you want to walk, right? And you stop and ask someone, hey, where do I go? First thing they're gonna ask you is, where are you now? So where are you now? Do you know even? If you do, I can tell you how to go and get to where you wanna reach. Well, I'm on the road to learning about SQLite DB. Yes, but I mean, Where are you with the rest of the stuff? What have you done so far? Add book. Now this is gonna call YouTube, and it's going to do what? It's gonna come here and update this value from 0 to 1. You watching this, scumfuck? Add book. No mention of Firebase. Okay, fine. Oh! Look at that, scumfuck. Look at that. You see it? Look at it. Look. It's crazy, man. First try. Can I also do the assignment? No, you know. Especially not you. Yeah, of course you could do it, man. Anybody can do it. Just put it on GitHub, send me the link, I'll look at it online. I mean, on the stream. We'll see what you can do. We'll see what you're made of. See what you're made of. What the hell is this? How is this sitting here? What? What is this? How is it running? Just the word Firebase. I've never ever seen this in my life. Just the word Firebase sitting there. What? Okay. So get the collection and update the value. But I don't want to just update the value. I want to increment the value by 1. So is there like a snapshot listener? Okay, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Firestore update existing value by incrementing 1 to the existing whatever value.
YouTube Premium.
Wow. You genius bastard. Wow. Well, if this works, I'm killing myself. What the hell is going on out there, man? Oh, it's not collection, it's a document reference. Yeah, I just forgot all about Firestore, man. Honestly. I don't have to explain myself. My friend was telling me about Flutterflow, but I never got the chance to look at it with him. But he was so excited about it. Have I showed you Flutterflow? Have I shown you Flutterflow? Did I show you Flutterflow? I was like, it has the word flutter in it, so it might have Dart, so it's just... No. No. What am I reading? Can I also do the assignment? Yes. Our cross-platform tools like Flutter overtake... No, they're not gonna take platform. Did he just repeat the question without fixing the error? no basic data structures, no SQL learned about computer networks, you're golden then. What are you still asking me for? Just go make an Android app. You know basic data structures, you know SQL, you learned about computer networks. You know everything already. What do you need? Learn about layout designing, interaction with it, recycler, some network call with Volley. That's all it is, bro. That's all Android development is. What more do you want? If you want to do games, yeah, you're fucked. But normal business applications, that's all you need. Oh yeah, you're a great guy. Wow, self-taught. Who cares? No one's gonna appreciate you more if you taught yourself or you learned with someone else. All they care about is can you do what you said you would do. Access the assignment. You don't need to just have a... How am I gonna give you the thing? Where is it? Did you add me on LinkedIn? Just add me here, I'll send it to you. Copy image link, imager. Here you go. Oops. Nope. Here you go. Do that. And then when you're done, got some real stuff for you to look at. Yeah, some real stuff. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. If you can do this, oh my god. What the hell? If you could do this, I'll give you the keys to my car. This one's even harder. This one's very hard. What was I doing? Add book. Flutter is giving near to native performance. Should I learn Flutter or Kotlin? Well, it depends. What do you want to achieve? You want to be hireable? Learn Kotlin. You want to be, you want to feel special? Learn Flutter. But people hiring Flutter, it's rare. Where are you getting these assignments from? Other people who have been through interviews, myself. I save them. I record some of them, my interviews, bro. Do you know that? If you tell anybody, I'll kill you. Add book. Now, this should be 2. Do I press refresh? Damn you, ChatGPT, that didn't work. Why? Oh, your field. There's no such thing as your field. Wait. Collection is limitations. No, collection is user settings. Okay. User settings. Limitations. Yes. I'm gonna make a huge assignments database of all the people that have ever asked. You know, I got another one here. I got another assignment that I just remembered. Ticket swap, assignment, assessment, I called it. Yeah, oh, there's another one. What is this assessment? It doesn't have any. This is the assessment. That's another one. I'll make a notion of it. Yeah, I'll make a notion. What other stuff do I have? الموت لإسرائيل. That's my tagline. Do you know that? I'll look at it later. I just have to see if this is working. Okay. Add bug. Yeah, that would be cool. But what's the point if I give them to you and they're just like, yeah, now I have the assignments. What are you gonna do with them? You're just gonna save them. Yeah, I'm ready now, without ever solving them, without ever doing anything with them. It's just gonna sit there on your laptop. I'd rather you actually do them. 2! There you go. It worked. My life is making more sense every day. Makes more sense every day. So,
YouTube.
I look at them every night. See, you're a real person. Every day, just look at them, glance at them. You know what will be beneficial for you if you really stick to it? See, here is where I take my thoughts. I have thoughts. Let's see what I think of software engineering. See, I made a video out of this. I've got a hot take. Who the hell talks like that? I didn't write that part. Hot take. Shit generation. Engineering is about solving real world problems, guys. Software engineering, specifically, is about solving real world problems by writing software. That's why it's called software engineering. So writing software is just solving a lot of problems. See where I'm going? As an engineer, you're a solutions creator, if nothing else. So what better way to test you for this specific trait in you than to present you with a problem and have you describe what your solution would be as an engineer, i.e. problem solver, right? So that's what testing for algorithms and data structures is. It's a distilled, abstract form of describing solutions to problems using software, which is what you do. So this is what companies want. Engineers that solve their problems with a computer. So I ended up making a video out of this. The algorithms thing, or stop calling yourself an Android developer, or something like that. So what I think would be useful is this. This guy made this notion.
For example, I want to find
For
a question
example.
related.
Hey guys, I have a European accent, so you must listen to me and consider me knowledgeable just because I speak like I am from Europe. Okay? But yeah, he made something useful. All of these questions for interviews. So these are the checked ones, are the ones I went through. So I have my own answers to them as well. Yeah, these are my custom answers. And these are like portfolio projects that you could probably do to make yourself seem, you know, like you did something with your life. Instead of just like, hey, I'm just got out of university, please hire me. It's Android Interview Pro. This guy's made it paid since I got it. But I saved it because I'm intelligent. So this, if you study this has got me through like good interviews. This is great. This is great. Yeah. Seymour Hoffman. So when you are worthy, I'll share the link with you. When you become worthy. Oh, it's already live. Lol. Fine. Here you go. I cannot pronounce his name. It's Yaroslav Michalik. He's a GDE or something. He's a knowledgeable guy. And this is me in the camera. So, how are we going to abstract this so that I could maybe have a store? Oh, it's already called a store, but I'm gonna ask GPT, I don't know. So if I had this piece of coke and I want to use it in certain areas in my ape, where would I place it and how would I design access to it? My knowledge comes from the GPT repository. Oh, yeah, I could have thought of that. Okay.
Centraal Beheer.
Kotlin. I've already tried KMM. Depends, again, what do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? Where are you going? What are you trying to be? Trying to just make money, or what is your goal? Just want to be hired? Learn Android with Kotlin, native. You want to learn something new? Learn KMM. There's nothing to learn anyway. It's just a way of doing things. It's not like you're learning something. There's no language. It's just Kotlin. Can you tell me if you uploaded any courses of Kotlin? Me, myself, no. Me, myself, and Irene, no. Anas Bukhater. No, I have not. There's tons of resources for Kotlin. Should these be like... These should be like... somewhere here, right? hope make companion private, know the constants. To make the companion private? Are you crazy? Why would I do that? Why would I do that, bro? There you go. Well, I don't need the companion, but I've never made the companion private. Like this, never done that. Why would I do that? So what? I won't use it. It makes sense, but I don't know. I've never ever done that. I'm following YouTubers like you who do live coding because I want to learn more. Have you know about any good course for Kotlin, or if you can guide me as a beginner, how do I start my coding career? Why companion object for static strings? Maybe just private const val? Because I want to look like I know what I'm doing. Hey Rook, I remember you. Long time ago. Your guy knows what he's doing, I think. Yeah, you helped me a lot. Years ago. Const can only be inside companion. Google has a beginner Android course. Yeah, I mean, starting your coding career, it's a big ask. I don't know, go learn Kotlin. How do you do Kotlin, you know? Good course. Get a book. But you can do Kotlin cones. This is the easiest way I know of. This is like series of exercises online, and you can compile it and all of that. Something like that. Kotlin cones. What the hell is my son doing, man? Come see your mom. Bro. Be quiet. Be quiet. No. Crazy kid. Let's see. Look at this. Private companion object. Why is this a thing? It's so weird. Like, why would you do that? To me, private seems to go against the very idea of companion object. Why is this a thing? Just because it works? Or there's meaningful reasons? I think it's a matter of personal taste. For example, yeah, if you're not going to use it, it makes sense for it to be private. If you have a companion object that nobody's going to use, you probably don't need a companion object. You just need, like, to do this. Done. You don't need this. But it looks better when I have these constants that I can do const val. It looks better to be here. Maybe I can start doing this, I don't know. Because it makes sense. What am I developing? I'm developing my own app. What are you developing? I don't care about the success and failure. How did GPT do it? On success, on failure. Oh, it's the same. He got this once though. Yeah, that's smart. So now you're balling, right? Now you are balling. What do you want? Return type to unit. Okay. What do you want? Oh, this return is a task. Okay, you can't ball. And what the hell is Firestore? Oh. You don't need valid because you're gonna use it immediately. Okay. How do you approach UIX for person? Ah, that's the question of the century. Right now I'm just designing it as I see fit. And as you can see, it looks like shit. But it works. So I'm probably gonna pay someone to do it. I know a designer at my company. So I'm probably gonna be working with them on it. Okay, this should be called Firebase. Oh my god. Should I just have two repositories, one for Firestore, one for Firebase remote config? No.
YouTube Premium.
Well, you don't have to make a big deal out of it. Just make something malleable, something changeable. Don't go overcommit to design and make it like decent and continue. I think you're just using excuses. So if you really want to do it, you would have done it. not a field. Again, what is this return now? It's a long. Yep, that's it. Oh. No, I mean DI. Where's the DI? Repository module, okay. How to show memory on the right button? Or here down there? You right click, memory indicator. What's the point of having repository interface if it's not separate module? I don't know. Just saw the shrine of Imam Hussein, wondering to ask you if you are Shia. Of course I'm Shia. Are you? Want to ask how to show another question. Websites we do UI with HTML, CSS, but what do Android development mean? There is another, yeah, there's XML or Jetpack Compose. Finally fixed my thumbnail, yeah. I was using shit, I didn't care. I'm a wild boy, man, I don't care. Still need a increment. Get the current so far and the limit. Okay, 3 things. Music's loud, your voice low sometimes. Okay. Thank you for letting me know. There you go. Better? Is it better? Let me check. Test. Yeah, it should be better. Where am I working now? Airbeam TV. No, what do you think? I'm 12? I'm 36, bro. What do you mean Instagram? Instagram is for women. But no, I don't. So get the max allowed to create. Get the number of books he's created so far. This is from where? Where do I get that from? This is for incrementing. The other one is for reading. Yes. So document ref dot get, right? Didn't we already go through this? Snapshots? What am I even doing? Get dot result get blah blah blah. Yes. Okay. Get. What? I already have the field, man. User settings collection. No, I don't. This is updating this. And this is updating that. I need to get this. So get this, this, whatever. Okay, yeah. This doesn't return a long, does it? This is what's called coding by coincidence, guys. To just try to guess everything. Coding by coincidence. What's this guy gave me money? The hell? 100 what? Shia was best to be in Karbala. Oof, you went to 40? Oh, €1. Oh, very nice. Thank you, man. May what? 1 second. ميزان حسناتك إن شاء الله. You're a very lucky guy, man. I've never been to 40. But this year, hopefully. This year I've decided. Last year was the first year I went to Iraq in general. Before that, Iran. But I went everywhere. I saw everything. Went to Karbala, went to Najaf, Qadhimiyya, Samarra. Everything. I did everything. I still have Syria. Even though I'm in Lebanon, but it's surprising that I've never been there. I wasn't really a hard believer back then. So now we're expecting to see what? 2. Did I log it? There's nothing. Is this even called? It's not even called. What is happening? Where are you working now? I said already. Ha ha ha. So I'm deleting Instagram. Yeah, it's all women, man, on Instagram. I don't want to be looking at shit like that. Print everything, that's correct. What do you use to do navigation keyboard only? Vim. Specific type of keyboard? Yeah, I do have a specific type of keyboard. Doesn't necessarily have to do with my navigation. I use this keyboard. This one. because it's much more comfortable. I just got used to it. I've been using it for years. How did I start my career in programming? Well, I went to university. I wanted to major in radio and TV, become a movie director. So the guy says you can't do that because you didn't study the normal route of university. See, I quit university for a while, 7 years. So I came back, did like a technical knowledge kind of thing. And those people who do that, they have a set limit of majors they can do. So I said, okay, what do you have? He says computer science. Okay, computer science. So I did computer science. This is 2011. I was 21 when I started university. MVI, I've heard about it. I've never went into it. I don't care about it. Your question, what did you answer? What did you comment? Where are you? Agmi. There is no comment by Agmi. When Alulak? What did you say? Ask again. Compose used a lot. Of course it is. Nice. I hope you learn as well, Anas. Ad book. Oh my god. Task not yet complete. Yeah, okay, I can do that. So why is this? I want what's inside here. Weird Vim. What the hell? Maybe this will work. This is Android Studio. Compose is native, of course. Of course it's native. Just give me a second, yeah? Don't get kids. Trust me. Oh, come on, man. Fine. Hey, asshole. Do I read a value from Firestore? Success listener, right? But then why do you offer me like the result immediately then? Control, what? What? Override. What? What is happening? Why didn't I do it here? Well, you're gonna have to bite the bullet and learn to do compose. Can I do remote config get long? It's not in remote config. That's the issue. Remote config is not for incrementing and mutating in that way. It's just a setting. That's it. You don't increment it and decrement. You don't modify it that way. Or else, of course, I would have just used it. You need another place to do that with. So we have pressed it 5 times so far. So this and this need to go. Delete. 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 Coding what I'm always coding. My own app. This is better. I don't know what your question is. Oh, sorry, you repeated it. Which one is faster, Kotlin or Flutter? Confused replacing programming job by AI and want to stop my career. It's a stupid question. I'm not gonna answer it. So this is done. Okay. Now, how do I return out of this from inside the success? Can't do that. Quiet units, yeah, I know. I'm watching from Brazil, nice. And my son keeps crying, oh my god. It's so annoying. It's a stupid question, man. I cannot give an answer because it's so ununderstandable. It's not that it's a simple question or I would have answered it. A stupid question cannot be answered. It's like asking, who created God? Well, that's not the same. That's a simple question. It's like asking,
YouTube.
do I learn kickboxing because I want to attract girls? It's a stupid question. Here, let me answer you. Huh? ChatGPT can do this for you. Even ChatGPT tells you there might be some confusion in your question. Otherwise, it's stupid. Here you go. Huh? Even the machine caught you. Because you're young, you don't know anything. So most of what you say is stupid. Here you go. There's your answer. When you grow up, you learn more. You become wise. Scum fuck, how am I gonna return out of this guy? How do you return out of this? Return this. Oh my god. I can't do that. Is this gonna wait? Is it asynchronous? Yeah, it's a T-result task. Yeah, I'm sorry. This is really an embarrassment. I should know this. Must be initialized, right? Right. Now when I go to grab it, it's gonna say 0. Well, I can run it in like a suspend. 10 years. Okay, I give up. coroutines, right? Yes. If you're working asynchronous operations, you need coroutines. Yeah. Yeah. But where do I get the reference? I can't just do like, hey, I got half the answer, right? You can't do this. You can, of course you can. Huh? What happened? Oh.
KPN heeft weer een...
Task? What do you want? Concurrent? It shouldn't take anything. Maybe it's the wrong suspend. Long. He added a complete listener. Ah, he chained them together. Well, I don't need a failure listener. Whatever, I'll take it. Firebase wrapper for asynchronous work. Why would I do async? Oh wait, I have coroutines. Frankly, I don't know the difference. I fooled all of you. I've been doing Android for 3 hours. Let's see what this guy's talking about. No, it's the same what we're doing. One second. No, it's the same.
YouTube.
I'm not gonna do all this shit. I don't care about this stuff. It's not a working thing, not more. I think it's just an extension to core. Okay, so it's a core team builder. Now you need some other shit to do that. It's a library. I don't want a library, man. I just want it to work out of the box. This is fine. I want to add another library just for this stuff. Using Firebase on Android. Joe Birch again, as usual. The prime suspect for this shit. Joe Birch is everywhere, this guy. Oh, it's in the Firebase blog even. Oh, hi, hello. Who's this? Yeah, I'm sure she knows what she's talking about. Close. Joe Birch. Hey, don't be a birch, okay? This is the same stuff we saw back here. Someone's copying off of someone, and when that happens, I lose interest. Look, yeah. See this? Where's Joe Birch? There you go. Same code. They're copying off of each other. And I'm gonna be the last idiot that copies this as well. I'm gonna do it. Because I don't understand what they're trying to do. I don't care. It's not how I code. This works, amazing. I only copy from ChatGPT, bro. Let's see how this is gonna fail. the hell happened? Add book. So first is gonna be book created. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, of course. Because this is 0. Okay. It's not incrementing? No, wait. It's not incrementing. Increment max allowed? No, that's the wrong method name. Increment books created. Yeah. Can create, can, fuck you, buddy. There you go. Okay. So now it stopped us. But I want to go back to the previous... what? I want to go back to this. See if that works. Because that's the point of coroutines, right? It looks asynchronous, but it's synchronous, right? So, yeah, run. 6 here, clear, 0. Have I needed to get involved in the cross-platform technologies during 10 years React Native KMP? Have I needed? No. Have I liked to? Yes. I've tried Flutter, I've tried KMP, and I've tried React Native. But not out of need. Just out of curiosity. So, 1 book. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can't. Yeah, okay, just like I thought. This is 0 because this is not being waited for. Is this what you meant by async await? Is this what's gonna solve my life? Scumfuck. Let's see. Async await, async await. It is suspend. Oh, this function, but doesn't need to be suspend itself. It can just launch through a scope. That's not an accurate statement. Nope. Let's see the genius. What the genius says. There's always 0, of course, because none of us are actually senior or know what the fuck is going on. So can you help us before we spend 2 hours on this? Thanks. Seems like you're facing an issue with the asynchronous nature of the operations. I think you're having a problem here. The problem is that the async block inside the launch is not guaranteed to complete before the subsequent code executes. That's why I'm waiting for it. You need to ensure that the value is obtained before proceeding with the rest of the logic. That's what I thought coroutines does. But this is what I'm doing. So all of it to be here? Okay. What's the difference? That's what I had a second ago. I don't want to do that. I just want that thing to be launched as a coroutine, not everything. You can't. They have to be together. They have to be so that the coroutines could prioritize. They can't be outside, no way.
YouTube Premium.
It has to be all of it, like what I had here. This works, of course. I don't need your ass. I don't need sync await for you. This will work automatically. I don't need to wait anything. See, he's dumb. He's not very smart. Look at how this is gonna work. Watch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's your async now? Why is it 6? Ah, because smaller are equal. Yeah, that's not what I want. I want smaller. Yeah, so it works without async. Watch what he does now. This will work just as fine. What the hell do I need to async for if I'm in the same scope? Absolutely, your revised code looks perfectly correct. Yeah, everything is correct. Everything is good. Dumbass. Just kidding, thank you. So this is if you are allowed to create, and this is if you're not. Should probably show dialogue here. Show premium dialogue here. Yeah. So again, we go snippet, add snippet, view model. We're gonna do the same here. Oh God, this is a huge thing here. Whatever, I'll just do it first and then we'll try. Save the photo. Okay, before any of this, is there new music? And then take the whole thing, come here, refactor this for me. That's not a refactor. Ah, yes it is. No, it's not. Fine, okay, I'll take this one. What else you got for me? That's all you did. Okay. So that task is done then. Firebase remote config. 5 book created, 5 so this is 0 then. Yeah, it starts off as 0. The remote config is 5 and 3. I thought I told you to delete this. Delete this. Delete. Ah, you need to publish. Publish. Yup. Remote config. This is 5 and 30. What? 3. No, 30. This is 5 per 3 per book. You got 5 books, so 15, right? Yeah, not 30. What was I thinking here? I'm sure it wasn't random the way I put it. I said 6 books? Yeah, 15. Okay. Publish. Looks good. Looks good. I'm just gonna call this a task because it includes so much more than this, but whatever. Yeah, not 30. Because if it's 30, then no. Rating dialog, useless. Developer setting menu, useless. I can have a developer menu where I can, oh. But that doesn't make sense, man. This is remote config, right? But this is global. It's not every time someone creates a book, it's gonna increment. It needs to be per user. It's not like global. So when the user is created, I need to say, go create a new document with their name or email. And add these 2 fields initialized as 0, 0. And then start querying. Oh wow, it's so complicated. Yeah, that's my job, I guess. That's what we do. Ah, fuck it, I got the machine to do it. How would I make these fields, limits, whatever, specific to each user on Firestore? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. This is pseudocode, bro. I'm gonna copy paste it. Pseudocode. Yeah, I know what to do, but I'm just sad that it's not the way I did it. See, that's what happens when you start working without thinking. But anyway, this is a good template for. Just replace here. You add the username. That's all. Username, and you're done. One extra step. So instead of doing this, username here. It's per username. Easy. The remote config will be the same though. Yay. What I want to do is this. Scroll to the bottom of the list whenever a new item has been created. That I want to do. How would you do it? Yeah, here's a question for you, Mr. Geniuses. Collect books. What is this? What are you doing here? Who are you? Who told you to come here? I wrote this. I didn't write this. Look at that. No one wrote this. It's just now I pushed it down. Okay. There is a question. Whenever I add new book, so this is a new book, right? Huh, there you go. Oh, it's nice. New book, okay. It's down here. How do I scroll to the bottom of the page every time I come here with a new book added? Tell me. I'll smoke a cigarette and you think about that. It's raining hard. Oh, the neighbors are having fun. Lucky them. Scroll to item last index in the lazy column. I've never had to do that, but I remember this method from Recycler. But that's not how compose works. You don't call imperatively. You have to set up a trigger for the lazy column inside its own creation that says scroll to the bottom whenever X happens. It's not like you know. Unless you're like sure. Or you've tried it. Man, it's colder than a motherfucker. You listen to Sum 41? The items is the trigger? Yeah, there's some mutable state that's going to be a trigger, that's for sure. But where in the lazy column are you going to tell it that this is your trigger in a way that it's going to know to scroll? On item size changed, maybe? Or something? Sum 41. You really like them? Must be old. Is there an old band? Well, not that old. Might be my age. 30s. Item size to be more precise. Yeah, I know. Something like that. I have no idea, I've never done it. Let's see how easy it is to find it through documentation. Let's see how well of a job they've done. Lazy column, scroll. No, I'm gonna go the normal route. Lists and grids. Scroll. Reacting to scroll position? No. Controlling, yes. Lazy list state. Immediate snaps. Okay. 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 Done. 26. Since you were 30, you're still listening to them? Oh, you're gonna see an ad. Probably all of you, because you're just 9 people. What, inside here you want it? Okay. Message list, okay. Huh. No, then it should be here. 25. I wish I was 25 again. I'd do everything the same. Don't you listen to metal? I think I need water. Waiter. I've been talking for 2 hours straight, man. Coroutine scope, yeah, okay. How do I say? How do I say? Scroll to top button? Top button? Okay. How do I say if the books changes? If books has increased by 1. I can't. What I could do, let's state here. Book. Oh yeah, okay.
YouTube Premium.
Well, how do you check if the books have increased by 1? Because when they do, this is already gonna recompose. So what you do is don't have that function. I don't want to add it. This is the books screen. I add books in the add books screen. So when I go back from the add books screen, the list is already updated. I think nav will work. I think nav is the best option. That bastard's right. No. I don't like it. I'm gonna do what I think I want to do. Nav is gonna be messy. As flow of. It's not a flow. Well, it needs to be a flow. Make it a damn flow. What context? Don't remember this. 0, 0. Just trying it. What do you want? Maybe. Save the first call in the book count and start first call on every back from ads. Too complicated. I don't want to do navigation. I just want to try this idea that's in my head. What do you want? What's wrong? Oh, adding book already takes me back, man. I'm already going back. Navigation is right there. There it is. But still, I want to see what's going on here. If the size of the books is bigger, has become bigger than the count when I first counted it. Yes. Debug. Compose multi-platform, yeah, it's cool. I hope it takes off. So the books count is 0. Huh? Why? Do I call it? I'm not calling it. I'm not even calling the function, man. Now I'm calling it. It's gonna be 8.8. See, 9.9. Okay. That's the first time. Ten. Because it's a flow. Is it gonna... It's gonna update along with the same way. So I don't want it to be a flow. What do you want? Maybe. No? How do you do that? State. What the hell? What? What happened? Reading a state that was created after a snapshot was taken. Thought I was being smart. What? Oh, the Firebase. Come on, man, give me a break. No, I want to try this. I just want to see if it's gonna work. There's one time where you get the value and it doesn't update, and then you got the value that updates. If this crosses that, then you have yeah, that makes sense. Then every time you're gonna navigate, it's gonna cross and then scroll to the bottom. It cannot be done like this, because if you do this, then you open the app and it's gonna scroll to the bottom.
YouTube Premium is
Oh, so 12, 11. See? Scroll to the bottom. It makes sense. Books are 12, the count is 11. Exactly. Scroll to the bottom. It works. Oh. Where? Scroll state. Oh, this is what Scumfox said. This is the documentation, that's it. These are the two. State, oh my god, man. Fucking 10 years of experience, bro. This is how you do it. Bro. No navigation, no nothing. You count them once, then you count them again with updated, bro. Bro. This is gonna go out of sync with that. So it means you have a new book. You scroll to the bottom, bro. 10 years of experience, bro. Nice. Nice. Because I didn't want to touch this. This is just navigate up. I don't want to send nothing. I don't want to do anything. Just go back. Like, why would I do that with navigation if I got this flow shit? It's not hacky. Let's ask GPT. Let's say you have a book screen and you have an add book screen and you just added a new book and you navigate back to the book screen to see the book list has been updated because you're fetching the books using database and returning flow, and it automatically sends the result when there's new stuff. But now you want to scroll to the bottom of the list whenever a new book has been added. So the result is that you come back to the book screen and the screen automatically scrolls to the bottom. How would you do this, being that you are so smart? Let's see. Adapter update. Wait a minute, bro. What recycler view? Bro, we're using Compose. Where do you live? I don't have a physical... Okay. Look at this imports. This is the solution. Hmm? No? Yeah, no, of course not, because this is going to be false. No one sets this. Because when you initialize the add book view model in the add book screen, that's a different value. So, but it has to do with state in some way. See, composable state from app view model. Oh my god, he made a view model for the whole app, man. And in there he placed this value. So he passes the view model. It's like having shared. Oh, that's so ugly. No, 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 no. No. That is bad. Can you think of another way, you monkey? On globally positioned. What is that? What? Come again. Item, box. What does that do? Wow. It's not guaranteed to invoke every time. Because if you're not seeing the element, which you're not gonna when it's at the bottom, the top positions are not gonna change. So no. Wrong as well, GPT. Oh, it's how much time? How much more do you need? It's not gonna work. It's not guaranteed to be called every time. Oh. Oh, it's tiny, man. This one is tiny. I should edit this. Oh, there you go. Not guaranteed to be invoked every time the position relative to the screen. So it's relative to the screen. For example, the system may move the contents inside the window around without firing a callback. So you will get a new book and you won't scroll. Doesn't work. Why is the font so tiny here? Yeah, anyway. So what if I wanted to do it with navigation? Now that I know that my solution works. Can I pass stuff with parameters to nav up? Not fragments. No, this local navigate up. I don't want a new navigate. Yeah. I know. I'm doing all of that already. Two hours and a half. Yeah, no. Fuck it, I'll do it later. I'm happy though. I'm happy. Yeah, of course. I got nothing else to do. But now I'm tired. It's like almost 3 hours. My head hurts. Alright. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you so much, Osama and Scumfuck, and everybody who helped me. I want to thank my parents. They were very nice to me. Thank you very much, everybody. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.